Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. So, students, in the last class we have discussed the poem "What Is Pink," which is written by Christina Rossetti. So, in the last class we have discussed two colors, that is red and pink. So, today I am going to teach you rest of the poem. So let's begin. What is blue? The sky is blue where the clouds float through. So poet introduces blue color. For introducing blue color, the poet uses such a beautiful example, such an easiest way that she says the sky is blue in color where the clouds are always floating in their own wish. Okay, what is the color of cloud? The color of cloud is blue. So she has put the example of cloud over here for introducing the color blue. So for introducing blue color, she uses the easiest way, that she says the color of the sky is blue where the clouds are floating in their own wish. So the next line is, what is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. For white, she uses the example of swan. Swan means Hans, which is completely white in color when it is swimming on the water in the daylight. Daylight means din ka prakash. So for white, she uses the example of swan over here, which is completely white in color and when it is swimming on the water in the daylight. So the next line is, what is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. Pears are yellow, which are rich in vitamins and very tasty when ripped. Ripped means पका हुआ, developed या ready. So here, what is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. Pears are yellow, which are rich in vitamins and very tasty when ripped. Mellow means ripe, sweet and juicy. So coming to the next line, it's given here, what is green? The grass is green with small flowers between. For introducing, what is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. So for introducing, for the green color, she uses the example from the Mother Nature. Okay, what is green? The grass is green with small flowers between. So for green color, she uses the example of Mother Nature. The grasses are green in color and it looks more and more beautiful when there are flowers in between the grasses. कभी देखा है आपने जब बहुत सारे जहाँ पे घास होते हैं हरे हरे, वहाँ पे छोटे 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 अगर फ्लावर्स होते हैं वो कितना खूबसूरत लगता है देखने में. आप लोगों ने देखा है? So the example of the green is taken by the Mother Nature. For the green color, she uses the example from the Mother Nature. The grasses are green in color and it looks very beautiful and more beautiful when there are flowers in between the grasses. Okay, so what is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. So for introducing violet color, the poet uses an unusual example. She says clouds are violet in color. Have you ever seen clouds are violet in color? But of course the poet mentioned a time. She says in the time of twilight, the clouds became violet because of the changing of the light, as it is going to be dark from the daylight. Okay, do you understand that? What is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. For introducing violet color, the poet uses such an unusual example. She says clouds are violet When the clouds become violet because of the changing of the light as it is going to be dark from the daylight. ओके जब वो डार्क से वो जब डे लाइट से जब वो डार्क में जाता है तो इट चेंजेस द कलर. सो द क्लाउड्स बिकम वायलेट when the light as it's going to be dark from the daylight. In the summer twilight, what is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. At the last, the poet talks about the orange color. But it is interesting to note that she does not use any other example but an orange to describe orange color. Why should we find any other example? See, she took the example of orange to describe the color orange. But it is very interesting to note that she does not use any other example but an orange. She says the fruit orange is the best example, as we all know, as we can describe the orange color. It is the best example to describe the orange color, to give the example of orange, to describe the orange color. Why should we find any other example? Because it is the easiest way to describe the orange color. That is why she has taken the example of orange color to explain the orange, to explain the color orange. That's how the poet, in a very simple but effective way, present a beautiful picture of the Mother Nature. It is also kind to tribute to the God who has created all these beautiful things for us. Okay? So, what is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. At the last, the poet talks about the orange color. But it is very interesting to note that she does not use any other example but an orange, because it is easy to explain, easy to describe. Orange color is the best example, the orange color. Why should we take any other color? Okay. So that's how the poet, in a very simple and effective way, present a beautiful picture of the Mother Nature. It is also kind of a tribute to the God that God has created such a beautiful things for us. So this is all about the poem What is Pink? Read it. Read this poem twice or thrice. Okay, if you find any difficulty, just ask me. I'll explain you once again. Okay students, till then, take care.